Come on now, and you come. There we go. I've just cleaned the loft out. Wee pie 10. This is what bothers me. See, after I've done it and I've got all of this outside my girder, man, honestly, God, this is what happens. You clean the loft out and you're full of footprints. I hate it, absolutely hate it. Absolutely hate it. You put all this work into cleaning the loft and you come in and do that way, it's ridiculous. Hey, there's a cracking me pair of dudes there. They're no longer. In fact, they'll be going through just shortly today, the two of them, that's two. I put one through earlier on. His next makes away because he's not quite fully. Watch it attacking you. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Hey, come on then. See, it's not, this wee fella's not fully feathered, see. It's not fully feathered, so once he came another 3 or 4 days beside his mum and his dad. Hey. There you are, this wee fella, he's just hatched 2 eggs, haven't you, son? He's on 2 young babies, isn't he, pal? Yeah, I know, sorry, son. There you go. There we go. Rob, what you come in now? Watch us. Come on, and he's come in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, and you come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, and you come. Come on. 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 Come on, and you come. Come on. Come on. Nah, see. Give us wrong, they're no hungry, that's all it is. They're just no hungry because I keep the hoppers full with grub because they're feeding babies. So, come on in, come on, come on, come on. Come on, and you come on. There we go, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, and you come on, that's again, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, and you come on in, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, and you come on, come on. Come on! Come on then, come on, come on. During the breeding season, make sure they've always got plenty of fresh grub, plenty of fresh water, plenty of grit, plenty of minerals. That's what helps to bring on healthy youngsters. Keeping the loft clean as well for them, absolutely, keeps them in good condition. Come on, come on, come on. Come on then, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Right guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery cheery.